Hi, everyone. This is Jack again. And today I'm joined by Terry Coelho. Terry is the CFO of BioDelivery Sciences International, and she's going to be speaking at the CFO Masterclass on November 11th, 12th, and 13th. Terry, welcome.
Thanks, Jack. It's great to be here.
That's it. We're excited to have you. And you told me a great story about the sign behind you. If you want to share that with our audience.
Sure. So this sign is actually a snippet from the NASDAQ tower on the day that I was named as CFO for BioDelivery Sciences, or BDSI, in January 2019. NASDAQ put up a congratulations, Terry Coelho, for being named CFO. So it was pretty exciting.
Yeah, that's one of the coolest things I've heard. So anyway, the whole world's changed a little bit in 2020 with COVID. And I'm wondering how BDSI's business model may have changed to, adjust to the new realities that you face.
Sure. So BDSI is actually a rapidly growing specialty pharmaceutical company. We work to deliver innovative therapies for individuals living with serious and debilitating chronic conditions. We are a commercial stage company as well, and we really subscribe to patients first philosophy. We're a very dynamic team. We have about 180 employees, driven by the knowledge that the work we do is really having a positive impact on patients and their caretakers. 2020 has definitely been a year of challenge, and I would say that the pandemic has actually allowed our company to prove we can be agile while still serving the patients and really doing it with quality. We transformed our business approach instantly, going into a virtual-only environment while not familiar to our stakeholders allowed us to continue a strong momentum of growth in spite of the pandemic. Our focus and diligence on both our product portfolio and the company accomplishing quarter over quarter and year over year growth. We started by focusing on the health and safety of our employees by moving to a remote working environment, and then to the patients and the communities we serve. Our focus and diligence has resulted in both our product portfolio and the company accomplishing quarter over quarter and year over year growth. We then transitioned customer engagement to virtual support and launched an array of new customer and patient support programs. Although we had to employ a whole new way of interacting and collaborating with many new tactics, our core strategic vision remains intact, undeterred by the challenging environmental circumstances.
Terry, you've been CFO now for almost 2 years. And why don't you tell us a little about some of the challenges that you personally are facing in your role as the CFO for a company that's growing fast, but in a crazy economy?
Yeah. So certainly one of the biggest challenges over a lot of years has been identifying, attracting, and retaining top talent. And it's been no different in this role. Regardless of which business I've been associated, either geographically or by type of industry, this has been an ongoing challenge. It's really taken a lot of persistence and perseverance to find high quality talent. And what I've learned really is that it pays off to be patient and ensure that the individual we select meets not only the technical skills and requirements for the role, but much more importantly, that they are a fit culturally. This is so critical. 2020, of course, has presented its own set of challenges for the finance organization. Fortunately, my team had just implemented a number of automation initiatives late in 2019, which I'm so grateful we had completed. And
Wow.
It's really made a huge difference in our ability to adapt as we shifted to a remote working environment. Keeping the team well connected while remaining remote is certainly top of mind. Technology and things like Zoom that we're using here today have been instrumental for that. From a business perspective, the other significant challenge has just been the uncertainty. None of us knows what's coming next, how long this will last. We've been forecasting and reforecasting continuously and have really focused on developing multiple scenarios to ensure that we stay agile and able to flex in the event the market or the economy suddenly worsens or shifts.
Exactly. So I know at the masterclass, you're going to be talking a little about team development. Think you can give the folks a sneak preview of what your conversation is going to be about?
Absolutely. This is a topic I'm very passionate about, Jack, and I think you and I have spoken about it a few times. I really look forward to sharing some of my own experiences and learnings that I've gained across the years, and hearing the same from the other panelists. In my view, the finance function for many years now is really so much more than just the number crunchers. We need to be real business partners supporting all of the functions and management with insightful information to support decision-making and providing strategic thought leadership. I'd like to encourage my teams to be the bridge with whatever areas of the business they support, to reach out, seek to understand, ask questions, be curious, and bring value to the organization, not just numbers. I really believe that finance as a function is the hub of any organization. We have visibility to all elements of the business and play a critical role in bringing it all together. Encouraging our finance talent to really understand the business and the story behind the numbers is a key development opportunity that really can make an impact for our employees' own growth and to the businesses they support.
That makes sense. And actually, be the bridge. I was trying to, you said that. I've actually stolen from that from you.
You
once
stole
or
it
twice,
from me, I know.
and I'd forgotten it was you I stole it from. So I only
Yes.
plagiarize from smart people, though. So. No, that's great. So that's the CFO Masterclass. It's November 11th, 12th, and 13th. Terry, congratulations on your continued success, and we're looking forward to seeing you next week.
Thanks, Jack. Looking forward to it.